Audio CD 2, Track 23, Part C, Listening for It.
Jennifer reports a lost item to a police officer. Officer, I lost my purse somewhere in the park this morning.
I see. Can you tell me what was in it?
I had my credit cards, my ID, and a lot of cash in it.
Ha! There are a lot of pickpockets around. Did any strangers try to talk to you?
Yes, there was a big guy who kept trying to talk to me.
Can you give me a description?
Sure, he was about 195 centimeters tall, and he had short brown hair.
What happened next?
I told him I was in a hurry and walked away. When I got to the bus, I went to get some change, and I realized I didn't have my purse.
I have to be honest with you, ma'am. The chances of recovering your purse are not good. You'd better cancel your credit cards as soon as you get a chance.